Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get statements from the TD Bank app. First, open the TD app and log in. Once you're in, tap My Accounts and then select your checking account. At the top, you'll see different tabs. Tap on Statements. Here, you'll see your available statements. You can also change the date range if you need older statements. The default is the last 6 months, but you can select a different year. Once you find the statement you want, just tap on it to open or download. And that's it. Super quick and easy. And that's how to get statements from the TD Bank app. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.